What's up, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my backlit photos on Lightroom. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to crop this photo by 4 by 5 so I can upload it on Instagram. And the next thing I would do is I'll go here dito sa basic panel natin. So I will add a little bit more exposure para mag-brighten up yung photo natin kasi ang dilim. Like 1.5. Yeah. And the next thing I would do is bring down the highlights to save a little bit details right here. And add a little bit shadows. Bring down the whites and the blacks as well. So the next thing I would do is I will scroll down and add a little bit tone curve on our photo. So, ang gagawin ko dito sa tone curve natin is gagawa tayo ng S-curve para magkaroon ng contrast yung photo natin. Kasi, dito sa pag-adjust pa lang natin ng basic panel natin, medyo okay siya, pero flat. So, let's go dito sa tone curve natin. So, here's our whites, our shadows, midtones, highlights, and our whites. So, what am I going to do is mag-a-add ako na dito ng points sa shadows natin, midtones, and our highlights. And ang gagawin ko dito sa shadows ko is i-bring down ko para mag-darken up yung photo. So, dito pag binaba natin yung shadows lang yung maapektuhan, hindi magagalaw yung midtones and our highlights kasi may points tayo na inilagay. So, the next thing I would do is bring up the midtones as well as our highlights para magkaroon tayo ng contrast. Yeah, so here's our before and after by adjusting our tone curves and our basic panel. Before and after, di ba mas nagkaroon siya ng contrast. So the next thing I would do is I would scroll down dito. Makikita mo yung HSL panel or Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. So yung Hue, siya yung nag-change nung color ng uh, dun sa image natin. Like, for example, this leaves kulay, ano siya, 'di ba? Kulay green. So, pag kinilik ko tong green at pinol down ko siya, magiging yellow siya. As well as the orange. Pag pinol down ko siya papunta ng red, magre-red. So, pag pag pinol up ko siya, mag-yellow siya. Hindi dapat natin gawin 'yon kasi tamo, nagmukha siyang Shrek. So, so okay naman yung skin tone niya. Yung yellow ibababa natin. Yan. And the next thing I will do is saturation. Mag-a-add ako ng little bit orange. As well as, bababaan ko itong yellows. Like, wag 100 kasi obvious na obvious. So, I will make minus 35. As well as the greens, like minus 100. Kasi mas okay siya. Mag-a-add ako ng konting reds. Yeah. And last thing is luminance. Ang ginagawa ng luminance natin is magba-brighten up siya ng certain color dun sa image natin or magda-dark siya. So, in this photo, I will add a little bit orange para mag-brighten up yung skin tone niya at saka yung hair light. So, mag-a-add ako ng reds. Mag-a-add din ako ng konting yellows. Konting yellows lang. Like 15. And I will bring down the greens para hindi distracting tong part na to. So, here's our before and after by adjusting our hue, saturation, luminance channel. Before and after. 'Di ba? Before and after. Nung in-adjust natin siya, mas dito sa photo na to medyo ito yung before natin kasi nung in-adjust natin siya medyo distracting yung leaves sa gilid niya, yung dito sa harap niya. Hindi siya magfo-focus dun sa mismong subject natin or dun sa model natin. So, nung inedit natin siya, di ba, mas nag-focus tayo straight to the point dun sa model. Hindi nakaka-distract tong mga sides na to, like these leaves. So, the last thing I would do in editing this photo is scroll down ulit ako and makikita ko yung split toning. So, dito sa split toning na to, dito mo magagawa yung sarili mong kulay dun sa photo mo. So, ang gagawin ko dito is yung sunset color or sunset vibe. So, what I'm going to do is hold alt or option key sa Mac. So, and i-slide ko to so makikita mo yung kung ano yung affected area or certain areas na makukulayan nung split toning natin. So, dito sa photo na to, gusto ko medyo orange color kasi mas ano siya, sunset vibe. So, nakapili na ako ng kulay, mag-a-add ako ng saturation like 25. And the next thing I would do is add color to our shadows like ganun lang ulit, same lang ulit, hold alt of option key on Mac. Then sa tingin ko dito gusto ko medyo orange para medyo balance yung kulay or a little bit yellowish green, and add a little bit more. I will bring down this, gusto ko medyo orange para warm na warm yung kulay. So here's, ayan, okay na yan. So here's our before and after by adjusting our split toning. 'Di ba nung inadjust na natin yung split toning, mas nagkabuhay yung image natin. So last before and after split toning. Before and after. Yeah. So here's our final photo, and ito yung last before and after natin ng whole editing natin. Before, it's a little bit dark, nothing special. And here's our after, 'di ba? Mas nag-focus tayo dun sa model, mas mas nag-brighten up yung photo natin, mas nagkaroon ng vibe. So, that's it. Yun lang. Yun lang yung 4-hour tutorial for this video. So, if you learned something or if you learned something new, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and gusto kong mag-discuss sa inyo kung anong naisip nyo dito sa editing ko, and I would see you guys on my next video. Peace out!